Hey, I'm Dana, and today we are watching Chainsaw Man. I have no idea what it's about. I'm guessing it's a guy that holds a chainsaw, but I saw that it's new, and I feel like I should watch it. So I wore my bloody earrings in preparation, so let's get to it. Is there gonna be a lot of blood in this? And we are starting now. Is this CGI? I feel like I'm in a video game and I've got a gun. Or a scary movie. I guess he knocked out after he got to this place. Oh, it's in Japanese. Ah. I like all these noises. Ah, pretty. This is pretty. 60,000 a month for cutting down trees. There's a kidney I sold. 1.2 million. Alright, he got rid of his eye? 300,000. Sold one of my nuts. How much was that again? I think not even 100,000. Dang, does he have any part of his body left? And I still owe. I don't know how much that is, but I bet 38 million yen is a lot. Fuck, stop. Let's kill this thing already. I like how... Oh, gosh, that's loud. Double hunting pays the best. Easy. Ooh, that looks nasty. I like how the dog sounds when he growls. He sounds like a chainsaw. Oh. That girl looks like Anya from Spy Family growing up. Interesting. So Chainsaw Man is a guy with a chainsaw dog. Interesting. All right, but I'm not going to pay too much attention to this intro because I want to be surprised by this show. I don't want any spoilers, and I feel like this intro is just getting me a bunch of spoilers, so we're not watching. Whoa. This looks like it's going to be a very fantastical show. Oh wait, does his head turn into a chainsaw too? Or is he wearing the dog on his head? Or does he turn into a chainsaw but doesn't remember it? Because it looked like he was... Let me not make assumptions based off this intro. Okay. I don't know what that says. Okay. Ooh. Gotta be the tomato devil. Move right from the seeds, so you want to burn those. Denji. That's a fair price on the black market. Who's gonna buy that? Wait, 400,000. Hey, that's more than his nuts. What? What's up with all the fees and the interest and what? 70,000. It sounds like he needs a new manager. 40,000. What's that in 1,800 yen. Is that like $18? Food at home is gonna be have to last a month. 1,800 yen. Pochita. Looks like dinner's gonna be a slice of bread. Who's this watching him? He's paying off what he owes us. Technically, it was his dead. It's not even his debt, it's his dad's debt. The thing about the real devil hunters is they don't pass devil carcasses onto the Yakuza. Ah, so he's working with the Yakuza. He does what he's told. Oh no. Are they gonna pick him up? They're gonna kidnap him. You know that? Oh, they're just being mean now. For real? Oh. Oh no, he's not. He's not. He did. I feel bad for this guy. He must be really hard strapped for money.
Hey guys, Editor Dana here, and I'm just popping in because I just learned these true totals and what they would mean to me as an American. Looking at the Japanese yen currencies, it didn't really click. And learning this just made me so much more infuriated with the Yakuza, and not only them, but also Denji's father, just leaving this debt for him. And then also this a-hole for baiting Denji with the cigarette. I mean, this is just a joke for them. They think he's just a dog, like he doesn't even deserve respect for something that wasn't even his problem. Not saying that if it was, that you deserve that kind of treatment. Aside from that anger, it just breaks my heart watching and seeing that he leapt with joy for 68 cents to eat a cigarette. 68 cents. That's not even $1. Like, what could you buy with 68 cents? That's how hard off he is. And I mean, it's just amazing. These writers, they did such a great job of really setting up this story and really making you feel for him and just really helping you to understand that, like, he's not having a hard time. He's having the hardest time of his life. He's not selling his body, you know, to go out and, you know, have this extravagant life. He's doing that just to live, to survive. And wow, man, I'm like amazed by the writing, you know, like I have such strong emotions just 4 minutes in about this character, and my heart aches for him. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys because it really brought a new light onto the episode for me, because while I was watching it, you know, I was like, oh, okay, 100 yen, you know, like that's like a little bet, you know, maybe a kid would do. It's a little harsh and a little crazy, but you know, like, okay, it makes sense. But then when I realized, like, okay, this isn't any money that he's actually making, you know, like parts of his body, he wasn't really making that much money for it, but he was doing it because he had no other choice. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you guys were kind of watching with the same mindset as me. So let's get back to it and see what else is in store.
Yeah. That'll keep us another 3 days. Yeah, but normally people put jam on their bread before eating it. It was just a dream for us, though. One slice of bread for the two of them to share. Dad, I'll play this before I die. I'm gonna die without ever having a girlfriend, too. Oh, that must be the pink girl. The pink-haired girl is gonna be his girlfriend. Aww, Pochita. If I could have one dream come true, I want to score with a girl before I die. Wish upon the rain, and your wish will come true. You find a girl, you go on a date, and fall in love, and change his life. That must be his dad's grave. Bastard hung himself without paying this month's installment first. Boy, you've got until tomorrow to put 700,000 together. Beg for it, whore yourself out. I don't care. Get it done. Right when he just lost his father, and now he has to worry about paying off his debt. Poor kid. Man, this guy has a tough life. A chainsaw. A devil. Devil dog. If you're gonna kill me, just do it. I'm dead either way. What's wrong with it? Oh. Oh. You're gonna die too. Oh. Who would hurt a dog? Bite. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. The dog has a plug. Do you plug it up and charge it at the end of the night? This is a deal. A blood deal. I'll help you, so you help me. Best friends. Indebted for life. Wanna die after all. Ooh. Why don't you hire me as a devil hunter? Ah, so that's how it... Okay. Alright, we know a little bit more about him now. Too hungry to sleep. Start thinking about money and then it's even harder to sleep. My heart breaks for him. That's true what I wanted. Putting jam on my bread and I'll share. I'm gonna flirt with the girl. Play video games and we'll fall asleep hugging each other. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Mom died from some heart disease and made her cough up blood. Oh, yeah, I was wondering, I didn't even think about his mother. Time for work. Oh. Mother died from heart disease. Father hung himself and left all his debt to him. Dang, this poor kid. I wonder how old he is, because that flashback, he was a kid and now he's still in debt. And he's been working for them for quite a few years, I'm imagining. Do they, well, they probably just keep adding interest to his debt, so they keep him working for them. This kind of reminds me of like Attack on Titan. I wonder if this is made by the same studio. Just the style, not the show. There's a devil in here. You don't see it, but do you sense it? Is it gonna pop out now? We're pretty grateful to you, you know. Are you? Because you don't act like it. Soils the dog. Are they gonna try to kill him? I can't stand the stench. Wait, is he a demon too? They made a deal with the devil. We wanted to meet demonic power. And I want devil hunters? Devil hunter. These guys are dumb. Total suckers. And they offer to become my slaves. But what are they gonna do with this demonic power? Turns them into zombies? Well, what was the point? I'm the zombie devil and I hate devil hunters because you go around killing us devils. So is the dog gonna bite him and then he's gonna get like his chainsaw devil powers? And toss him in the trash. Nah, you better cut through them. Use your pup. Come on, guy. Denji. Come on, Denji. Well, if he gets out of this, does that mean that he's no longer in debt to the Yakuza? Or is he still, they're just zombies after him for money instead of people? Okay, let him go. I just want a normal life. Oh, they just throw him in the trash. Wait, they severed his head. So that's how the chainsaw becomes his head, huh? Oh, and the dog is getting his blood. Getting some more strength. Give me a hit of your blood. Time for work. Boom. Such good sound effects. And there's some bread. I'm gonna die fighting the devil. Foreshadowing? Leaving you on your own. You could end up starving to death. Aww. I heard some devils can take over dead bodies. If that's something you can do, then I want you to have my body. Oh! So that's what's gonna happen. Won't be on your case if you want until I've been buried, right? Then you can move out of here and then. I want you to live a normal life and die a normal death. Pochita. So that's how his dream's gonna come true. Give me some more of your blood. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's what's happening. Yes, Pochita. Yes, Pochita. Yes. He's gonna live a normal life as a half devil. He listened. Oh, he talks. It's love to hear you talk about your dreams, Denji. I'll give you my heart. And in exchange, I want you to show me your dream. Watch that. Oh, man's best friend till the end. Not hurt. Oh, and there's his oh, that wasn't a power cord. That was just the mechanism to start the. Why? Who rose? Oh, he's gonna show up. I'm no devil hunter. Just you wait. So why they want even more? They just want. Take. I wasn't satisfied with the happiness I had in Pochita. I kept dreaming about a better life. I mean, I don't think that's the same. I guess we all dream about stuff like that, huh? Yeah, but 2 different levels there. And I won't, but Jama-san. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Ah! Ew. Ew, what are they doing? He's going to stay dead after being eaten. They're not eating him, buddy. I don't know what they're eating, but it's not him. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, his arms too. Woo! Woo! That's kind of cool. What are you? Devil will take your body. Means you're one of us. Yeah. Youch. Oh. Yeah, show him, show him. Ooh, yeah, ooh, boom, boom. Are they all connected to him? I wonder. The big guy? Are all of his like little zombies a part of him? He's saying it hurt when he was hurting the little guys. Oh. Don't come near me. Yeah, you should have let him beat. Headshot. He is a literal chainsaw man. Woo! Get him, get him. Oy. Oh, is he going right in the eye? Slice him right down the middle. Show you not to mess with me. Our debt is over. Double, huh? Well, you hired me to be a devil hunter. Oh. Better kill all the devils. Payback. He got y'all. I won't owe you a damn thing. So now he can finally live a normal-ish life. Pretty drop in the water. Ah, sparkles, sparkles, shine. Okay, what's happening now? Yeah, I just love the sound effects. Oh, is she gonna be a devil hunter? The girl that he falls for? And dang. Yeah, is she gonna be a devil hunter? And they're gonna fall in love, but she's not gonna know he's a... Oh, he's still there. I don't know then. Got a strange smell. Not a human or devil, but a human devil. Hug me. Hug me. Oh, and she did it. She sees a guy that looks like that. She hugs him. This is girl crazy. Oh, is he crying? he's human. No. I can tell who's possessed with the look at their face. Came here to kill the zombie devil. She is a devil hunter. Mm-hmm. So, 2 options. I can kill you like a devil. I can keep you as a. I can keep you. Is he gonna be your pet? Make sure you're fed. Is he gonna be her pet? He's like, you know what? That don't sound too bad. I don't want to be like that. When you say that, I guess. Like, what's for breakfast? More than just a slice of bread. Bread with butter and jam. History. Salad, coffee, maybe something for dessert, I think. I like her style. You're gonna bring tears to Buddy's eyes. Oh, Denji. You found you a girl. Sounds awesome. And that's it. Okay. That was a good episode. I was a little afraid of watching this show. I thought it was it was really gory. You know, Chainsaw Man, and pictures that I saw just seemed like it was going to be a lot of blood, and I'm not a gore person. But I feel like because they showed so much of the backstory with the dog and the dreams and, you know, just him just trying so hard, selling his literal body just to live a normal life, and something that he didn't even make the choice, you know, to live in. You know, as a little kid, his father made these decisions and killed himself to get away from the consequences and left it all as a burden to the son. But anyway, all of that just made me feel for him. So then, you know, I'm not a gore person, you know, blood, not my thing. But watching it, you know, I was like, them zombies, you know what? They did him dirty. Kill them all. So, you know, I think they did a good job with that story. I had a roller coaster of emotions, and I was, you know, I was really feeling it for Denji, and I'm so happy for him now that he's going to be able to live his normal-ish life. I'm wondering how this relationship's going to pan out with him and pink-hair devil hunter girl, because, you know, he's going to have to turn into the Chainsaw Man every episode. So, you know, how's that dynamic going to play out? Is she going to use him as her, like, devil hunter helper? I don't know. Well, I guess we have to wait another week to watch the next one. So, till then, bye.